Awesome things for a teenage girl's bathroom. So I've been redoing their bathroom. You can see it's coming along. There's still more to do. Very first thing is this strip. It is an LED strip. It is cordless, rechargeable, motion activated. It has a night mode. So I put it on that so it turns on at night. Tons of different color settings. I also put puck lights in the shower, which give it like a spa effect. This is just a little Q-tip holder. It's a lotus flower. It has a cover. It's super adorable. This cloud goes next to the shower. So if they forget to take off metal jewelry, they can put it there when they get in. Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. It just makes this like way more organized with these clips to hang it up. This is for hair. So if they got hair on their hands, they don't want it going down the drain, you put it here instead of all over the shower wall. This is a phone case holder. It is waterproof and the front case actually works so you can change the song when you're there, and it comes with multiple clips to move it around. This is a foot scrub pad. You can put it on the shower wall when you're done. This has tampons and pads. You could put anything in this, but that's what I did. I put it next to the toilet. This is for when you go number 2. It makes it less smelly. It is lavender smell. It actually works. And these are flower gel for the toilet.
On organization favorites. First up are these organizers for my sock and underwear drawer. They come in either a pack of 4 or 6 in different colors. They make such a difference and keep things so tidy. Next are these acrylic stackable containers and gold labels. I love to use these in my kitchen. And then also these fluted acrylic turntables. I own several of these and the quality is great and they're super pretty. Next is this over-the-door plastic bag organizer. You seriously need one. It is such a game changer. I also love these wide stackable containers for underneath my kitchen sink for my trash bag and cleaning supplies. And lastly are these stackable drawers. These are great to organize any part of your home.
Gadgets you need or don't. This shower speaker is the only one in the world that is powered by water. It charges automatically each time you shower, so you never have to worry about charging it up. It will save on electricity bills, works when the shower is turned off, and is portable as well. And if your shower rod won't stay on, this curtain rod holder peels and sticks and will securely keep your shower rod in place. So are these something you need or don't?
Here's an organization hack for those who live in small spaces and need more storage. Utilize your wall space by adding decorative hooks to store anything from clothing to bags to jewelry to accessories. I like these because they look luxe and expensive, but they're really just affordable bathroom towel.
Okay, for anybody that has trouble opening jars or cans, this kitchen gadget is a must. There's adjustable sized openings, which makes it super convenient to open a wide variety of different lid sizes. And the long handle gives you great leverage to get those stubborn lids off. And it not only works on jars and bottles, but you can also use it to help open cans that have tabs on the top like tuna cans. I even had my mom over here to test it out, and she gave it her seal of approval.
This is the semi-permanent tattoos from Inkbox. You just stick it on your skin for 1 hour and then you peel it up. It's super light at first but develops over 24 to 48 hours and they're supposed to last 2 weeks. It definitely darkened and looks pretty real. Here it is next to my real tattoo, but this is super fun if you want to try a tattoo without the commitment.
And Amazon finds it just slap. This expandable trunk organizer is the best way to store groceries or snacks when taking road trips. It can expand up to 3 compartments, has dividers for your fave goodies, and even comes with an insulated leak-proof bag that's perfect to keep your drinks chilled. And Amazon finds it just slap. This gadget lets you get to the bottom of bottles of makeup, sauces, spreads, and even lotion so you can get every last drop and there's no more wasted product. It comes in 2 different sizes, has a long handle that's super flexible, and comes in handy to get every last bit of mayo to put on my favorite fruit. Random Amazon finds it just slap. This case will protect your phone from overheating in the summer and extends battery life in cold conditions. It's made of similar materials like spacesuits that reflects the heat from the sun, plus it offers drop protection, floats in water, and perfect when you're catching rays at the beach all summer long. Random Amazon finds it just slap. This gadget automatically inflates and deflates pool floats, air mattresses, swimming rings, and other inflatable toys, so you don't have to waste time blowing air manually and end up lightheaded.
An awesome home product from Amazon. With this one, you'll never run out of batteries again. It's a rechargeable battery charger that comes with 8 reusable AA and 8 reusable AAA batteries. Put any combination into the charger, plug it in, and reuse your batteries forever. It has 2 USB charging ports as well.